Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and we're going to be looking at how to play a game of golf here using our Amplify page, and then how we're going to be keeping track of our score when we play the game of golf. So, a little background information. If you don't know how golf works, the idea is pretty simple. The goal is obviously to hit the ball into the golf hole with as few hits as possible. So if I'm playing against somebody and I'm able to hit the ball into the hole in 3 hits, but he's able to hit the ball in 2, he would essentially win that round. Now, the players will then total their overall score at the end, and the person with the lowest score will win. So if I have 4 golf balls I hit into 4 different holes, and it takes me 3 hits for each one, so 3, 6, 9, 12. My score would be a 12 for that game. Obviously, the goal trying to get that number as low as possible overall. So that's how the game of golf works. So let's go ahead and look at how we're going to be playing the game of golf with Amplify, and then how we are going to be recording our scores here in our data table. So obviously, you will start by clicking on whatever hole you want to start with, 1, 2, 3, or 4. You'll click on the Amplify page, and in here, you're going to see our course. Now, think of it kind of like mini golf in a sense, and you'll have your target, you'll have your object, and then you're going to have your goal. So the goal is to make the object reach the target without touching the walls. And remember, you want to do it with as few of hits as possible, with as few of number of strikes with your force as possible. So you're going to hit run here, and then you're obviously going to start hitting your object, trying not to hit the walls, getting it into the hole with as few hits as possible. So if you're able to do it with 2 or 3 hits, awesome. Then your score would be a 2 or 3. If it takes you 15, then that would be your score. So whatever it may be, okay, I have my object A. I'm going to obviously hit my reset here. I'm going to prepare my force, and then I'm going to try to get in with as few as possible. So this would obviously be my first hit, and then I'm trying to 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hit the thing. Obviously, I have to redo. So 7 right now was what I got. Obviously, I hit the wall, so I'd have to do it again. Remember, trying to get as few hits as possible in order to get it into the hole. If you want to analyze kind of how you did, you can count the number of times you struck your object here. All these little dots you see on my progress bar will tell you I hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So actually, I hit it 6 times, but it hit the wall. I guess we can count it as kind of that 7th. So that's how we play. There are essentially 4 holes or 4 rounds you're trying to complete. You're trying to get as low a score as possible and record your best score and your worst score to see how you did. If we have a few people who are at this point, we can obviously have you group up or play together, that sort of thing. Otherwise, if you have questions, reach out to me, and good luck.